It's Tiffany's Content with your 3 days of Christmas weather. That's right, only 3 days left until Christmas, and we are definitely in that winter solstice, so it is officially winter, so you'll see colder days and shorter days. So let's take a look at our temperatures for today, and look at that, it's already starting to warm up. You're getting 60s down in Florida, Texas, 50s over there in California, and look at Maine. That's where the cold air is at, up there in the northeast. Let's take a look at that wind chill, and when you cut those corners, you're definitely going to feel it. And look at that, -4, -7 over there in Maine. Oh, it is cold, baby. It's definitely cold over there in the northeast coast. And just looking at the overall weather for today, it's definitely has some clouds in there, but also some rain over there in Los Angeles, Kansas City, little in Dallas, and definitely some in Louisiana, where that Gulf Coast is starting to spruce up. Some storms down there. So let's take a look, and you're going to also see that mixed precipitation coming out of California into Arizona, then New Mexico, and it'll meet up with that system in the Gulf that's trying to form. But you can see it's definitely a rainy, wet day. And then going into the current watches, you're going to see just where that flood activity is at over there in California, Arizona, going into New Mexico. But look at all that fog in the air today. It's definitely cloudy and foggy where all that rain was at earlier. Now this is where the excessive rainfall would be, and it's definitely right over there in the, the southwest coast, and over there in a little bit in the upper west coast. And let's take a look at that action. Definitely a lot of mixed precipitation coming in, a little bit of snow that comes in, but will it stick? That is the question. Looking at the flash flooding for today, you definitely have some risk over there once again in that southwest coast, California, Arizona, and then it'll move over into the Texas, Louisiana area, and then that'll move over into the Florida area. So that is what we're wondering about for Christmas, if we'll have that action over there in Florida. But you can definitely see that flash flood warnings are in range for this holiday. So this is Christmas, and you'll see that is where the flash flood warnings are, and the excessive rainfall. So this is Christmas Day. So Florida, you'll have some rain over there in Georgia as well, and Alabama. So this is for the next few days, just where we'll see all that amount of precipitation and rain, and again that Gulf Coast, and that Midwest, and then over to the East Coast. But let's take a look at the current temperatures today, and it is definitely starting to warm up in some areas. And look at that frost freeze temperature is starting to melt away, and it's starting to warm up for Christmas. So will it be a black Christmas? Take a look at that other video that I put out there the other day, a black Christmas. Now let's take a look at this atmospheric river front. It still has a little bit of swirl in there, but it's definitely starting to go away. But look at that, all that precipitation that's following it. So I got a feeling that that'll be coming right in on after it in the following week. A lot of precipitation in the west coast. So let's take a look at the action. We're going to run it right into Christmas. You're going to see some, snow coming in Christmas Eve and Christmas Eve. And then let's see, there it goes. That's what's sticking around for Christmas. So we'll take a look. We'll do a screenshot of that and show you just where that snow will be for Christmas. And here it is. Again, up in that Midwest area, you're definitely going to see some flurries in Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota. So we're taking a look at that right now. Even some winter storm activity in Wisconsin. This is Christmas night, so you're going to even see that over in the Gulf Coast with those rain. But again, we're in that winter solstice, so remember, days are colder and shorter. Plan your days ahead. It's only 3 days until Christmas. I hope you got all your shopping done. I still have to do more. I love everybody for watching and tuning in. Thank you so much. You are really appreciated. I really do appreciate it. I am definitely doing this so that everybody can be aware of their journeys during the holidays. Plus, I love doing weather. I do have a degree in science, and I am loving every bit of this. So make sure that you stay tuned to Tiffany's Content, and just make sure that you like, share, subscribe. It's Tiffany's Content. Thank you.